Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white chicken, ensuring it stays tender and perfectly white every time. This method is simple and yields incredibly versatile results for salads, sandwiches, or main dishes. We'll focus on a gentle poaching technique that locks in moisture and flavor without any browning. Get ready to master this essential cooking skill for your kitchen. Now, let's get to the cooking. Gently heat your poaching liquid, which could be water, broth, or a mix with herbs, to a light simmer. Avoid a vigorous boil, as this can toughen the chicken. Carefully place your chicken breasts into the liquid, making sure they are completely covered. Cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And speaking of keeping things clean, just like we keep our chicken pristine, why not upgrade your home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's perfect for a spotless kitchen floor after cooking. Check the description for a link and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once cooked, carefully remove the chicken from the liquid. It's crucial to let it rest for about 5 minutes before slicing or shredding. This helps retain all those delicious juices. You can then prepare it for your favorite recipes, perhaps a fresh chicken salad or a light stir-fry. Don't forget to strain and save that flavorful poaching liquid for future soups or sauces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.